With 37 years of innovation, Basler is a global leader in industrial cameras. We deliver a complete range of vision solutions powering applications worldwide. Advanced vision systems inspect every pattern defect, ensuring precision and manufacturing quality. Achieve quality and boost yield with precise defect detection. With advanced vision inspection, reduced wastage minimizes downstream processing costs and material loss, ensuring precision and efficiency. Wafer inspection detects common defects like scratches, rings, clusters, and incomplete patterns, ensuring quality at every step. Precision vision ensures accurate wire bonding, improving reliability and performance in every connection. Advanced vision ensures precise solder ball inspection, securing reliable connections and product quality. Our vision system ensures high-quality silicon wafers, speeds production turnaround, and reduces cost. We deliver reliable slicing wires with fewer hidden defects, ensure consistent quality for customer confidence. In dicing inspection, wafer cutting for precise accuracy with production output. We ensures reliable die bonding, reduces device failures and lowers ownership costs. Basler deliver better quality control with accurate crack detection and catch issues early. At every stage of semiconductor manufacturing, we will support you with our vision expertise. Basler, your trusted partner for inspection excellence. With proven vision expertise, we help you achieve higher quality and smarter manufacturing. Scan the QR and contact us now.